Hey everybody, it's not an unboxing video, but I am going to be doing a review on the laser keyboard. It is not meant for gaming because it has a mouse option. Hold please. It has a mouse option, but even though it has that, it does not have it does not have an option to use the mouse and keyboard at the same time. There is a power button. Everybody knows what those look like. There's a power button and a micro USB port. Nothing here, and every time you press a key, you can turn the setting off. There are speakers, and it will make a loud beep. There's a small stand for it. The keyboard is projected from here. This is a light detector, I believe, and I'm not sure what this or this is. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. I'm not sure if it was packaged this way. I've already opened it multiple times. I'm just protecting it. You can find adapters for this, and it is a micro USB, like I said. Works with pretty much every smartphone port out there. Well, not smartphone port, but where you plug it in to charge said phone. Probably works with a couple flip phones, and this was shipped from China, I believe, so half of the instructions booklet is going to be in the booklet. The instructions, it works through Bluetooth or being plugged in. Not sure if I said that. Here it is English, and everywhere else it's not English. Well, from this part to the cover, it is pure Japanese. Maybe some English. I'll look through and find out. Letters and individual, not acronyms, abbreviations do not count as English, at least for that little rule there. I will be showing you what it looks like, so don't worry. Okay, now to show you what it looks like when you turn it on. There is a mouse option, so don't worry. But you can use a mouse and this keyboard and this all at the same time. I would actually get rid of this keyboard and the mouse over there, except for the fact that I have a couple games. And this is what it looks like when it is turned on. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Don't say anything. Okay. Told you there's a beep every time. It's pretty annoying. If you hold F and then press P once, it allows you to turn off the beeping. I will do it now. Seriously? Okay, fine, I'll just turn the volume down. There. If you hold F in... What the... Okay, if you hold F in and repeatedly press the right button, the volume goes down. Supposedly, if you hold F in and press P, I've done it before, it will turn the volume off. There, it works now. Okay, and now I will show you the mouse setting. If you tap once while using the mouse, it will do the normal one. If you drag around, it will move the mouse. And if you tap with 2 fingers, it is supposed to do the secondary mouse click, but I cannot get it to work. It takes about 1 second to register what you have pressed. At least it's supposed to. Is it on mouse? Oh, that's why. It works through Bluetooth. This part gets kind of annoying, as you keyboard connect. That's why the blue light is flashing. It's telling you, hey, it can be connected to something through Bluetooth. Or you can connect it to a whatever if you use the USB. But if you're connecting it from one Apple device to another or one Android to another, none of them have the larger USB ports. Plug-in points. If you're only typing, I would recommend using the mouse and the keyboard, but it does not have the page up, page down, help, home, and delete, whatever buttons. It does have numbers and the things above them. So now I will type, I went to the beach with a friend, one hand only, so who knows what pops up. I hope nothing bad. Yeah, hold on. There we go. It's not perfect, like I said before, but okay, there we go. I went the be at with a friend. It's supposed to be I went to the beach with a friend. It's pretty close, and if you come across a video on Google or YouTube where a person says that it is on, where a holographic keyboard app is free and on the Google Play Store, he is lying. He used either special effects, because those arms look pretty fake, or he is using something to make the app and have a name for it and everything, but it's not actually on the Play Store. I checked everything. You can't find a downloadable holographic keyboard setting. Sorry. You can download keyboards that look like they're hologram, but not an actual holographic keyboard. Free or paid cannot. But these are on the internet for about $20 to $40. Well, 20 to a couple hundred. They're all the same exact thing, pretty much, just different brands. It's a keyboard with a mouse. That's it. Now, the FN is used with a lot of combinations. Inside the box, there is a cord and the booklet, which I told you is in Japanese, or at least half of it is. There we go. And the mouse setting, where is the mouse? There's the mouse. Okay. You can't, what the? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Now it makes sense. No, not that. Fine. Go away. Jesus. Sorry. There. It does get slightly annoying trying to use the mouse setting. One finger tap pretty much lets you know, okay, I've done the primary mouse button, the one on the left. And double tapping with one finger does the secondary mouse button. But in my case, I set it to the mouse wheel button didn't click. So it's not perfect, but not used for gaming, definitely, like I said. To make the keyboard brighter, you hold FN and then tap up or down on the keys here. Up to make it brighter, down to make it lower. And if you want to turn the volume higher or lower, or just completely off, you can use the right button to make it lower, left to make it higher. Don't know why they did that, but hey, not my choice. Still thankful for the thing. Like I said, it's not perfect. I would not recommend it for gaming unless it just requires keys. Anyways, to conclude the video, it's really helpful. I will enjoy this thing, and I will be posting another video very, very soon. to see if you can use slow-mo and watch a BB or pellet fly through the air using a air rifle or BB gun, same thing. And I'm talking about slow motion for the newest iPod. So if it's early in the morning and you're watching this, go to sleep. If it's really late and you're tired, go to sleep. Bye.